Chilliz value equivalent to $0.0823 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $0.0816, $0.0840. The earlier day close. $0.0832. The change was 0.0009, 1.08%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to CHZ. Chilliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $0.073. Exorbitant cost $0.092, while low cost $0.072. The normal for the month $0.081. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.086, change for December 17.8%. Chilliz figure for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.086. Excessive cost $0.106, while low cost $0.082. The normal for the month $0.091. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.088, change for January 2.3%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $0.088. Exorbitant cost $0.103, while low cost $0.088. The normal for the month $0.094. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.096, change for February 9.1%. Chilliz conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $0.096. Exorbitant cost $0.110, while low cost $0.096. The normal for the month $0.101. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.103, change for spring 7.3%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $0.103. Excessive cost $0.113, while low cost $0.099. The normal for the month $0.105. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.106, change for April 2.9%. Chilliz gauge for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.106. Excessive cost $0.118, while low cost $0.102. The normal for the month $0.109. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.110, change for May 3.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at $0.110. Excessive cost $0.121, while low cost $0.105. The normal for the month $0.112. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.113, change for June 2.7%. Chilliz figure for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.113. Excessive cost $0.126, while low cost $0.110. The normal for the month $0.117. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.118, change for July 4.4%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $0.118. Excessive cost $0.132, while low cost $0.114. The normal for the month $0.122. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.123, change for August 4.2%. Chilliz gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at $0.123. Exorbitant cost $0.138, while low cost $0.120. The normal for the month $0.128. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.129, change for September 4.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $0.129. Exorbitant cost $0.141, while low cost $0.123. The normal for the month $0.131. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.132, change for October 2.3%. Chilliz conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $0.132. Excessive cost $0.142, while low cost $0.124. The normal for the month $0.133. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.133, change for November 0.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at $0.133. Excessive cost $0.165, while low cost $0.133. The normal for the month $0.146. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.154, change for December 15.8%. Chilliz gauge for January 2025. In the first place cost at $0.154. Exorbitant cost $0.171, while low cost $0.149. The normal for the month $0.159. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.160, change for January 3.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $0.160. Excessive cost $0.178, while low cost $0.154. The normal for the month $0.165. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.166, change for February 3.8%. Chilliz conjecture for walk 2025. Before all else cost at $0.166. Excessive cost $0.181, while low cost $0.157. The normal for the month $0.168. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.169, change for spring 1.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at $0.169. Excessive cost $0.196, while low cost $0.169. The normal for the month $0.179. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.183, change for April 8.3%. Chilliz figure for May 2025. Before all else cost at $0.183. Excessive cost $0.227, while low cost $0.183. The normal for the month $0.201. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.212, change for May 15.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.212. Exorbitant cost $0.263, while low cost $0.212. The normal for the month $0.233. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.246, change for June 16.0%. Chilliz estimate for July 2025. To start with cost at $0.246. Excessive cost $0.246, while low cost $0.193. The normal for the month $0.223. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.207, change for July 15.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $0.207. Exorbitant cost $0.207, while low cost $0.162. The normal for the month $0.1